Right. How many ways can you go from A to A? A back to A again. 0. See, AA is 0. Now, how many ways can you go from A to B? Once. How many ways can you go from B to A? Once. Do you see the way they're paired up with each other? B to A and A to B are actually the same thing. So they're actually, those two are actually paired up with each other. They're the same answer. Now, how many ways can you go from A to C? A to C? 0. How many ways can you go from C to A? Those two zeros are paired up with each other as well. How many ways can you go from A to D? 1. D to A? Also 1. Do you see the symmetry? Okay, let's go again. B to B? 0. B to C? What? 2. So C to B? Also 2. See that? Okay. Next one. D to B? So therefore D to B is also 0. They're connected to each other. Right. C to C? 0. C to D? 3. D to C? D to D? You're done. There is what's called an adjacency matrix. All right? It gets a bit harder here. Okay. Using 1 as the entry for each loop, write down the adjacency matrix. Tell you what, I'm not going to do that because I'd rather do 5. All right? 5. Ouch. It's not good, is it? Okay. Now, I don't know if I'm going to quite fit this in, but you'll get the gist by the video anyway. Okay. P, Q, R, S, and T. P, Q, R, S, and T. Okay, P to P, lads. P to P, 0. P to Q. P to Q, 1. P to R. P directly to R, 0. So P to Q is 1, P to R is 0. P to S. P to T. Okay. Next one. Q to Q, 0. Q to R, 3. Therefore, R to Q is also 3. Or Q to S. Q to T, 1. Q to T is 1. Q to S is 0. Okay, next one. R to R. R to S, 1. R to T. Okay. S to S. S to T. Everybody see that? Okay. Now, it will want you to go from, what it'll want you to do is it'll want you to go online to a matrix calculator. Okay, you go to a matrix calculator. Call me out the first numbers. What you get? So call me out the numbers from this matrix here I just had a second ago. It's a 5 by 5, isn't it? So what do we get? Come on, guys. Anybody got the answer? 0. Are you going cross or down? 0, 1, yeah? 0, 0, 1. Okay, I'll go back across again. Okay, next one. I'll say I got the first one wrong, didn't I? Oh, okay. What is going on? I want you to be 0. Delete, delete. 0. Oh, I'm out of time. Never mind. Lads,